How to glow up before summer 2025. Hey beauties, summer is on its way and it's time to get ready to shine. Whether you're looking to freshen up your skincare routine, revamp your wardrobe, or take your physical health to the next level, this ultimate guide is designed to help you look and feel your best for the sunny season ahead. A true glow up isn't just about the way you look, it's about how you feel. Let's dive into the essentials that will have you glowing from the inside out. Skincare. The first step to a true glow-up begins with healthy, radiant skin. Your skin is the canvas for everything else. Make sure it's properly prepped to glow. The secret here is consistency and the right products for your skin type. Start with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and impurities. It's crucial to clean your face twice a day, morning and night, because clean skin is the first step to achieving that natural glow. Don't overdo it with harsh cleansers. Instead, opt for something that balances your skin's pH and doesn't strip away essential oils. Drink water, of course, but also apply a good moisturizer that suits your skin type. A lightweight, hydrating gel for oily skin or a richer cream for dry skin will keep your skin nourished and plump. And don't forget that eye cream. Your eyes are one of the first areas to show signs of aging, so give them some extra love with a brightening or anti-aging formula. Sunscreen is your best friend. Even if you're indoors most of the day, UV rays can still harm your skin through windows. Opt for a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30, and make it a habit to apply it every morning. If you're going outdoors, reapply every 2 hours for the best protection. Exfoliation is another essential step for glowing skin. Exfoliating 2 to 3 times a week removes dead skin cells, leaving your face feeling smoother and your complexion brighter. You can use a gentle scrub or a chemical exfoliant like AHAs or BHAs, but be mindful of how your skin reacts. Don't over-exfoliate, as this can cause irritation. For an extra boost, add in a weekly hydrating face mask to give your skin that refreshed, dewy look. Wardrobe. Your wardrobe plays a big role in your glow-up. The right clothing can elevate your confidence and make you feel unstoppable. The key is wearing clothes that fit you perfectly and make you feel confident. For summer, focus on light, breathable fabrics like cotton, linen, and silk that keep you cool and stylish. A good summer wardrobe should consist of versatile pieces that you can mix and match, such as a great pair of denim shorts, a flowy summer dress, or a lightweight button-down shirt. Bright colors can instantly uplift your mood and energy. Don't be afraid to experiment with vibrant hues. Whether it's bold red, sunny yellow, or calming turquoise, these colors scream summer and can really enhance your natural glow. Accessories can really tie your look together. A fun hat, statement sunglasses, or a chic bag can make a huge difference. Just be sure to keep it balanced. The fit of your clothes is everything. Even if you're working with a simple wardrobe, clothes that fit well will always look better. Consider tailoring a few pieces to fit your body perfectly. Summer glow up. Let's talk about those details that complete the perfect glow. From head to toe, every little touch adds to your summer transformation. Your nails are one of the easiest ways to enhance your overall look. Keeping your nails clean, trimmed, and polished instantly makes you look more put together. You don't need to go for complicated nail art. Simple, solid colors or a natural, nude look can make a statement too. For a pop of fun, try a bright summer color like coral or a soft pastel for those laid-back beach days. Healthy, shiny hair is always in season, and summer is the perfect time to give it some extra TLC. First, make sure you're getting regular trims to keep those split ends in check. For added moisture, use hair oils or leave-in conditioners to keep your hair soft and nourished, especially if you're frequently out in the sun. If you're looking to make your hair shine even more, a deep conditioning treatment once a week is a must. Hair masks can help rejuvenate and repair damaged hair, leaving it feeling silky and smooth. Don't forget to protect your hair from the sun just like your skin. UV protection for hair is available in sprays and serums to help shield your strands from harmful sun exposure. A big part of your summer glow is how you feel in your body. Movement is key to getting that energized, glowing look. Exercise not only boosts circulation, but also promotes healthy skin by helping to deliver oxygen and nutrients to your cells. Whether you enjoy running, yoga, or strength training, find an activity you love and make it part of your routine. When it comes to skincare for the body, use a rich body lotion after every shower to lock in moisture. Scrubbing your body with a gentle exfoliator 1 to 2 times a week will help remove dead skin and leave your body glowing. Physical health. Finally, no glow-up is complete without taking care of your physical health. Feeling good on the inside shows on the outside. Fitness, nutrition, and mental health all play an important role in your overall well-being and glow. The right kind of exercise boosts not only your energy but your overall appearance. Cardio workouts help improve circulation, which gives your skin that healthy flush. Strength training tones your muscles and builds endurance. Incorporate flexibility exercises like yoga or Pilates to increase your range of motion, reduce stress, and help with posture. Don't forget about the importance of rest. Quality sleep is essential for repair and regeneration, especially after a good workout. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to help your body recover, boost your immune system, and keep your skin looking fresh. Eating a balanced diet full of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats is key to fueling your glow-up. Antioxidants found in foods like berries, leafy greens, and nuts can help protect your skin from damage and keep it looking youthful. Finally, mental health is just as important as physical health. Meditation, mindfulness, and relaxation techniques help reduce stress and allow your body to heal and thrive. When you feel good mentally, your body follows suit. Don't forget to take care of your mind during your glow-up journey. Your summer glow-up isn't about changing who you are. It's about embracing the best version of yourself. By taking care of your skin, nurturing your body, and dressing with confidence, you're not just getting ready for summer. You're stepping into your best self. Whether you're soaking up the sun, enjoying time with friends, or simply enjoying your personal transformation, this is your time to shine. Remember, your glow comes from within. Keep nourishing your body, embracing self-care, and exuding confidence, and the world will see the radiant, unstoppable person you've become. So, go ahead, step into summer with confidence, vitality, and the brightest glow you've ever had. Thanks for